Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Over the last couple of days, I've made videos on how to design this, and somebody did it like with blacks and grays, and it looks pretty cool. But he wants to rotate it like this. Now, the problem is with this is that this is a mesh fill, as you can see. He did it just like I did, but there's no rotation. You could rotate it manually, but you don't know where you're at. You don't know where to start it because there's no um, degrees of rotation. Now, with that, you could do this, and I'm going to suggest doing it the second way. You could convert this to a bitmap. Doesn't matter really what color. And now you can see you have the rotation. So we could rotate it 22.5 degrees or 45 degrees. And you could do that, Control D, and then rotate it 45 degrees. But it is a bitmap. It's not a, bitmap's going to fuzzy it up a little bit. But it looks pretty good, but I would do it this other way. So I'm going to go back where I don't have a rotation. And I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform, or yours might say Transformation. And with that selected, and because we're working in the center, I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. We need 4 of them, but I've already got one. You can see that there's no rotation up here, but we can just hit this and hit apply, and it will rotate that. And it is still a mesh fill, and it's not a bitmap, so it's going to be a little bit sharper for printing or engraving maybe. I might even try to engrave this later and just see what it looks like. Anyway, so think about next time you need to rotate it. I always go Control D and rotate it manually, but under transformation and rotate is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit and you in the future, and thank you for watching.